Top rock desperately needs some styling. It actually looks pretty terrible without any styling. And just in case you can't remember, we'll take a look at it. And that looks pretty awful. What we're going to do is create an external style sheet for this. And then we're going to have to link it in. And so I'm going to go to File and New. And I'm going to go ahead and save it right away and call it Rock. And this file type is CSS. And let me throw it right inside the CSS folder. Okay, and now VS Code knows it's CSS, so it's going to do the proper indentation for me. And we are going to style the header. I'm going to give it a width of 50%. I'm going to center align our text. Set the background color to dark green. Color of our text is going to be white. And we're going to set padding all the way around. So top, right, bottom, and center of 1%. Let's save that and we'll reload our page here. Oh, not going to work until we put the link in. And I'm going to go ahead and do that so we can kind of take a look as we are changing our CSS here. So the hypertext reference for the link is the CSS folder. The name is rock.css. And this is the style sheet. Hopefully you spell it right. You can't select it. And the type of file is text/CSS. All right, let me save that. Now this should work. All right, so that looks better already, but we do have some link issues that we will be fixing. But just styling the header makes it look a whole lot better. The next section we're going to style is our H1, our heading 1 tag. And the color is going to be Navajo white. And let's put a little text shadow on that. And that'll be black. And we're going to make it quite a bit bigger, almost double in size. And let's save it and reload. Okay, so you can see this section got changed, and so did this. And if we scroll down, you can see that all of these H1s got styled. The next change we're going to do is to our paragraphs, and we're going to set the left margin at 20 pixels. So basically, it's going to push our paragraphs in from the left side of the page or the screen. And we'll save that, and then we're going to reload here. And immediately you should have seen all these paragraphs kind of jump because we just made a left margin of 20. And now we get into our link styling. So we start with the link itself. Lovely peach puff. And let me copy this. So I'm going to copy it 3 more times, then I'm going to make little modifications here. So we have the anchor, the link itself. We've got the visited state. We have the hover state. And we got the active state. For active, we want red for the color. Underlining is fine. For hover, we're going to change the color to black. We're going to do a background color of peach puff. And for text decoration, we don't want any underlining. And then when they visit a link and return to our page, we're going to display it in tan. And we do want underlining. So when they initially see the link, it's going to be peach puff. If they hover, they'll see the peach puff background with black text. While they are left clicking, it's going to change to red. And then once they visit a link and they come back, it'll show us up as tan. So let's save that. And where we're really going to notice it is up here. So we're going to reload. And then let's click on that. You can see the hover. There's the active. And let me go back up to the top. And there's the tan. So hover, active, and then we get the tan. Okay, and at this point we are done. It looks a whole lot better, and there wasn't a whole lot of CSS that we had to use.